welcome you all to this session. So in the previous session we had discussed about phylum Porifera. We have started with a chapter called as phylum Porifera. So Porifera are commonly known as sponges. They are pore bearing animals. We have seen general characters like the water canal system, and they are mainly aquatic and they are found in marine water, especially or except one, that is spongy, like it is a freshwater sponge. We have seen general characters like symmetry, and the most important feature of sponges is they have canal system. So canal system helps in various functions of the body of sponges, and the body of sponges or the porifera is commonly covered by numerous pores, and those pores are called as ostia, and there is a large opening called as osculum through which the waste substances or the water is expelled outside the body. And there are sexes are separate: fertilization we had seen, reproduction, that is regeneration, fragmentation, etc. Then we had seen some of the examples. Then we also discussed about classification of phylum Porifera. It is divided into different classes, subclasses, then with examples. And we had also seen in the previous session about canal system, spicules, different types of spicules, their functions, and canal system in sponges. There are three types of canal system: asconoid, cyconoid and leuconoid type of canal system. And also we had seen the functions of canal system. It helps in excretion, respiration, expelling of digested food, transport of the digested food, expelling out the waste substances from the body of sponges. So now we have come to the end of this chapter, that is, we will start now with economic importance of sponges. Economic importance of sponges. So these animals or the phylum Porifera have a wide economic importance in different parts of the world. First one, they play a vital role in economic and commercial growth of society. That is, commercial and economic growth of our society. So it has so many economic importance. Economically means we are getting a source of income from these sponges. So they are used worldwide. The different applications, the economic importance are there. We will see one by one. Some sponges are used in the bath because of their skeleton. Some sponges are used for bath because of its skeleton. So the skeleton of sponges is made up of calcium carbonate, or it is also commonly called as spicules. We have seen monaxons, tetraxons, triaxons, polyexons and spears. So they are commonly used for bathing, washing because of its skeleton. Next we will see some of the following uses of sponges, that is washing and bathing, as I already told you. So there are some species of sponges which are mainly used for washing, cleaning, you can see, because they have high capacity to absorb water, because the body is covered by numerous pores. So they have high ability to absorb water. They can absorb more amount of water from their body. So they are used for washing and bathing. Many artificial sponges also have been made. Artificial sponges have also been made, but people use natural sponges only, and it is an important industry in any part of the world. Sponges are an important industry. In any part of the world. So nowadays you can say fishing industry or sponges used for decorative purposes. So many sponges are being used for decorative purpose also. Now the best commercial sponges are found in the hot water of Mediterranean Sea. hot water of Mediterranean Sea. Here you find more number of commercial sponges which are used in commercial industries, where you find in hot water of Mediterranean Sea. Next, coming to sponges have great capacity to absorb water. As I told you, sponges have a great capacity to absorb water, because they have canal system. Mainly it is due to the body is covered by numerous pores called as ostia, by which they can absorb large amount of water in their body. And they are also used in surgical operations, for absorbing fluid, and blood. In surgical operations, operation means what? There are some operations regarding some organs. Then what happens? There is some loss of blood or any tissue wound or any injury. That time there is loss of blood. So that sponge is kept on the wound so that the large amount of blood is being absorbed by the sponges. Sometimes there is waste blood also that is being absorbed by the sponges. Sponges are also used for sound absorbing in buildings. Sponges are used in absorbing sound absorbing in buildings. Sometimes there is some construction work is going on, there is a lot of sound is produced in the building, so that sound also can be absorbed by these sponges to reduce the friction of the sound. During cultivation of radish and other food items, so sponges are mainly used in agriculture also. They are giving wide application in agriculture. Fast growing seeds like radish, carrot, where the main purpose of agriculture in plants, agriculture is very important. So sponges, how they are playing an important role? By absorbing water. They used to maintain agriculture on large scale. Fast growing seeds and food items. Next one, for the quick sprouting out of seeds. Even sponges play an important role in sprouting of seeds, because these sponges have pores or the holes on their body. They are very, very essential for absorbing moisture. So by absorbing moisture, if there is moisture content, then the seeds easily sprout. So it is used there also. And it creates a container to avoid cracks. It is also used to avoid cracks. And it is also used for safety. Next one, safety against breakable, against being breakable. So sponges are used in sound absorbing in buildings. Sponges used in agriculture because it has high water holding capacity, water absorbing capacity, which makes the seeds moist, and so germination also takes place very quickly. And to avoid cracks for safety. Sometimes if any box is having any crack, if sponges are kept there, it will allow the cracks to being unbreakable. And also used in safety products also. Next, it is also used in catching the oil leaks. Now sometimes there is leakage of oil in big tanks. There also sponges are used in catching oil leaks. So large tanks are there. So to find out the catching of oil leakage in the tanks, sponges are used. They are wrapped up with the tools and they don't slip from your hands. So see, we are using big tools to identify the leakage in the big tanks. So if we wrap the sponge around those tools, we can identify easily because it is having absorbing capacity, and it is also mixed with soaps and detergents, mixed with soaps and detergents, so that the soaps and detergents will not melt easily. It will save soaps from melting. It saves soaps from melting. So if you mix sponges with soap, then the soap or detergent does not melt easily or the fast. Then it absorbs extra water. It absorbs extra water in soap so that it will not melt easily or melt fast. Next one, it can be used in refrigerator. It can be used in refrigerator to avoid stinking or any odor in the refrigerator. We keep so many items, food items in the refrigerator to prevent it from fungal infections or fungal attack, you can say. So if we use the sponges in refrigerator, it will absorb all the odor from the refrigerator by sprinkling it in a small amount. Next, it is also used in wares to avoid scratches. Sponges are used in warehouses to avoid scratches. Still some more importance are there. So once again, sponges are, they are pore bearing animals. They are artificial sponges also, but usually natural sponges are of good economic value. So sponges are both of commercial as well as economic value in our society. Some sponges they use as bathing, washing your vehicles, washing your so many things are there, washing clothes, etc., bathing, because they have water holding capacity or they can absorb water. Artificial sponges are also there. So it's an important industry in the world. Nowadays sponge industry is growing more and more. It has shown more development in the world in the sponge industry. Best commercial sponges are found in hot water of Mediterranean Sea. These sponges have great capacity to absorb water. As you know, they have large holes called as ostia, which are necessary for absorbing water. Then coming to, in surgical operations in hospitals, doctors use sponges to absorb fluid and blood due to some tissue, wound, injury or operations. Sponges are also used in sound absorbing in buildings. So there are lot of sound produced in building or construction work. There also sponges are used to avoid friction. So sound can be absorbed. Next, sponges are also used in agriculture. In agriculture, how they are playing a very important role. There are some fast growing seeds are there. If those seeds are kept moistened by these sponges, they grow very fast. Next, sponges are also used to avoid cracks in the boxes or any material, and it makes it unbreakable. Used in catching oil leaks. Sponges are also used in catching oil leaks in large oil tanks. And sponges are also used with mixed with soap and detergent to avoid soap from melting, because it absorbs extra water in soap which prevents it from melting. Next, it can be used in refrigerators to prevent or to absorb the odor in the refrigerator. Next, sponges are also used in warehouses or in wares to avoid scratches. Next, coming to, it is also used as a scrub while taking bath. It is also used as scrub while taking bath. Next one, it is also used as scrub while taking bath. You know why it is used in bathing, washing? Because of its hard skeleton or spicules or hard calcium carbonate skeleton. It is used for scrubbing the body while bathing. Next, coming to, it is also used to remove sticking of wallpapers from the walls. It is also used to remove wallpapers from walls by soaking sponges in water. Now see, sometimes we have pasted so many things on the wall. I want to remove that pasting. How can you remove? If you soak the sponge in water and just apply or rub it on that, easily that poster or the wallpaper comes outside. So because of its high water holding capacity or absorbing water, sponges play a very important role in so many things and even in removing of wallpaper from the walls. Next, sponges are rarely taken as food. Sponges are rarely taken as food by animals because of its taste, bad taste you can say, odor and sharp spicules. Because of its bad taste, sharp spicules. You already seen spicules. Spicules are nothing but the skeleton of sponges made up of calcium carbonate. They are monoaxons, diaxons, tetraxons, triaxons and even polyaxons and spears. Those spicules are very, very sharp. So because of that nature, the sponges are not edible. Next, the sponges of Euplectella, also called as Venus flower basket. That is a very beautiful sponge used for decorative purpose. This sponge is very beautiful. It is used for decorative purposes. And if you keep sponges in vase also, sponges are kept in vase also to make it straight. Then coming to sponge fishing and its industry. Sponge fishing and its industry is of great economic value. And its industry is of great economic value to present synthetic world. Next one, sponges fishes involve the collection of sponges. From seabeds by divers. Divers means what? Diving in the water. They are called as divers. So there are so many economic importance of sponges. So see, they have collection of sponges. They collect sponges from seabed. So you know, sponges are mainly marine and they are attached to substratum. They cannot move from one place to another place. So they are attached to seabeds and they are collected by divers, one who are diving in the water bodies. They collect from those places and they use as commercial importance. So we have seen so many importance. Next, coming to, it is used as scrub while taking bath. Scrub means we to rubbing or cleaning our body because the surface is very, very hard. So our body also can be cleaned easily. It is also used to remove wallpaper from walls by soaking the sponges in the water. Next, sponges are rarely taken as food by animals. So see, as other animals are eaten, why the sponges are not eaten? They are not eaten because of their bad taste, you can say, nature of the body or even the hard spicules and its bad odor. It is not used by many animals. Sponges are not used easily. They are not used as food. And Euplectella, it is also called as Venus flower basket. Venus flower basket. You can see the flower basket, right? It is very beautiful. Similarly it looks Euplectella. So it is called Venus flower basket. It is used for decorative purposes. Here in ceremonies and functions and all, they use for decorative purposes. They are very beautifully colored sponges. Next, sponge fishing and its industry. So the different parts of the world like America, Canada, London, different countries of the parts of the world where this industry is highly growing and developing because of its economic importance and commercial value. Because as they are aquatic, earlier many species of sponges were not discovered, but as I know so many species are being discovered, people are also discovering it number of uses from the sponges or the Porifera, and in industry it plays a very important role, both commercial as well as economic importance in different parts of the world. Next, collection of sponges from seabeds or by divers. So seabeds, when the sponges are, they are not motile, they do not move from one place to another place. The sessile means they attach to substratum. People are like divers. Diving means they are moving in the water. They are called as divers. Who are swimming in the water, they are called as divers. And when they go for diving in the water bodies, when they see it in the seabed, as you can see, collection of sponges from seabeds by divers. They collect these sponges and they use it for various purposes. So this is all about the economic importance of sponges. A very short topic it is. Question will be asked, write the economic importance of sponges. Economic importance means how these animals are important to us economically in the economic growth and development of the animals. So in this chapter we also seen about the general characters of Porifera. Mainly they are pore bearing animals. The main application or economic importance is because of its absorbing water capacity to absorb water because of its large and numerous pores. You can say numerous pores are called as ostia and large pore is called as osculum. And we also seen in canal system where there is a cavity called as spongocoel, which is helping in all functions like digestion, respiration, excretion, and through which water moves outside the body. Because of that function, it has large number of applications or economic importance in various industries like bathing, washing, agriculture, sound absorbing, sprouting of seeds to avoid cracks, used in soaps, absorb water. It can be used in refrigerator, used in warehouses to avoid scratches. Then it is also used to remove the wallpapers from the wall, and also used for decorative purposes and used in fishing industry and also in collection of sponges from sea beds. So what you have studied in this chapter about the general characters of phylum Porifera. Classification is very important. Classification on what basis? Based on the nature of skeleton, phylum Porifera is classified into 4 classes: Calcarea, Hexactinellida, Demospongiae and Sclerospongiae. It has again different classes with examples. And then coming to spicules, because of this spicules only there are so many economic importance. So spicules are made up of calcium carbonate, CaCO3. We have the monaxon means it has only one end here like this, monaxon. Then comes tetraxon, triaxon, polyxon, different types of spicules. Because of its hard nature, they are used in scrubbing, washing, cleaning, etc. But these are not used as food. Economic importance means you can think that they can be used as food also. No, these animals are not used as food because of its bad taste, odor, and hard spicules. These spicules are very sharp. They are like tools. They are very, very sharp. So they are not used as food. And this is polyxon, having many rays. So these are different types of spicules in body of sponges. Some examples are Spongilla, bath sponge, Euspongia, Euplectella, also called as Venus flower basket. And exclusively they are marine, but there is one freshwater sponge called as Spongilla. Freshwater sponge is called as Spongilla. It is a freshwater sponge. Remaining all are exclusively marine and they are sessile, means they are attached to the substratum. What is the nature of symmetry of sponges? Symmetry is radial symmetry or asymmetry. You can superficial radial symmetrical or asymmetry, means the animal body cannot be cut into equal parts passing through any plane. They don't have perfect shape. They are irregular in shape. You have seen sponges, right? Irregular in shape. You cannot cut it into equal parts. And what is the pore called as? The pore is called as ostia. And large pore is called as osculum. And the cavity of sponges is called as spongocoel. It is common in both asconoid, syconoid and leuconoid type of canal system. The questions mainly asked from this topic will be like, write the general characters of phylum Porifera, or the question will be asked, what are the 3 main types of canal system? Explain 3 main types of canal system in sponges, or write the different types of spicules in the phylum Porifera, or write the economic importance of sponges. So all this economic importance you have to write, because Economic importance means economically they are very, very useful in industry, both economically as well as commercially. So this is all about phylum Porifera. So this is about the economic importance of sponges. So in the first semester we are discussing mainly about the chapters are all about invertebrata, that is non-chordata. You know, animals without backbone are called as non-chordates. We have seen phylum Protozoa, then coming to Porifera, then Cnidaria. Next phylum, that is Cnidaria. Cnidaria is also called as Coelenterata. Then comes Platelmenthes, Aschelmenthes, Annelida and Onychophora. So in phylum Porifera we had seen these animals are exhibiting cellular level of organization, means the body is made up of only cells. They don't find any division of labor, because there are no specific organs or organ system. All functions in the body of these sponges or Porifera is by the most important feature, that is the canal system, water canal system. Water canal system. Next, coming to, they are diploblastic and they are radially symmetrical or superficially symmetrical, and the functions of this canal system is very, very important. To read this functions of canal system, they helps in digestion, respiration, excretion, removal of waste substances, transfer of gametes, that is sperms and eggs. So they have so many economic importance. So here completes the chapter called as Porifera. So this is one of the invertebrate phylum. So we had seen first in the beginning biodiversity, levels of biodiversity, then coming to animal classification, then we had seen the second chapter, that is phylum Protista or Protozoa, general characters, classification, and then the phylum Porifera, third chapter, that is Porifera, general characters, classification of phylum Porifera. Then we also seen canal system, spicules. In canal system we practice all the three diagrams, asconoid, cyconoid and leuconoid type with examples. Then coming to the economic importance of sponges. Sponges play a very important role. They have lot of economic importance. You have seen so many uses, applications now, like agriculture, in food items. Food items are used, but they are not used as food itself because of its hard calcareous nature, hard spicules and bad odor and smell. And most important function you can see here is absorption of water, because it has numerous pores called as ostia, through which water is absorbed, or they can having high capacity of absorbing water. Because of that nature they are also used in hospitals, in surgical operations, for absorbing of fluid or any blood from the worn out tissues or injuries. Whenever they are doing operation, they are keeping the sponge so that blood is absorbed, because it is having numerous pores or water absorbing capacity. So here completes the chapter called as Porifera. Go through the notes. Thank you.